Who says you have to spend big to live well? IKEA has mastered the art of creating beautiful, functional items that don't hurt your wallet. From clever kitchen tools to home brightening accessories, these budget-friendly picks are small in price but mighty in purpose. Whether you're revamping a room or just looking for one smart little upgrade, this list is packed with affordable finds that feel anything but cheap. 1. Marius, a stool that moonlights as your home's ultimate sidekick. Lightweight, stackable, and refreshingly unpretentious. It's ready to offer a seat in the hallway or a makeshift stand for your midnight snack. You'll wonder why you didn't get 2 or 3. 2. Framford. Ever crawl into fresh sheets and just sigh with contentment? Now bottle that feeling, or better yet, light it. This double wick candle smells like laundry day heaven, wrapped in a frosted glass that's almost too pretty to burn. Almost. 3. Baggmuck. Say goodbye to trails of mud and mystery crumbs. This rugged shoe tray has one job and does it brilliantly, catching every mess your boots bring home. Indoor or outdoor, it's the floor-saving hero no one talks about, but should. 4. IKEA 365 Plus Inserts. Your lunch deserves boundaries. These dark blue inserts divide your food like a bento box with a master's degree in meal prep. One even has a lid for sauces, because dressing shouldn't touch your sandwich until you say so. 5. PÅDRAG, elegant and understated. This clear glass vase shines even when empty. Its textured surface catches light like a soft ripple, giving life to both fresh blooms and lonely countertops. Sometimes, simplicity makes the biggest statement. 6. Fikontrad. Display your memories front and back with this clever little white frame. It's got no back panel, so it's like a photo sandwich you can flip anytime. Also doubles as a menu or sign holder if you're feeling extra fancy. 7. Narovic. Sleek and no fuss. This black nightstand is ready to blend into any nook and still pull its weight. Whether beside your bed or couch, it holds what matters: book, lamp, tea, without hogging space or style points. 8. Lil. These sheer white curtains bring in just enough light to feel dreamy, but still give you that home cocoon effect. Soft, airy, and budget-friendly, they're like adding a gentle filter to your everyday life. 9. Nyskelld JD. This unassuming gray drying mat is a quiet multitasker. Lay it flat for dish overflow, or tuck it under your drying rack to soak up every drip. Then fold and stash like nothing ever happened. Neat freaks, rejoice. 10. Veskin, a narrow little cart that's somehow mighty. Tuck it in the tiniest bathroom corner. Load it up with shampoo and secrets and wheel it around like a spa on wheels. No tools needed. Just click and roll. 11. Trauma. Clean, clever, and just begging for a personal twist. The punched out numbers let your wall colors shine through. Or better yet, add your own colored paper behind it and make time feel a little more you. 12. Toggarp. This floor lamp doesn't just light up the room, it lifts the mood. Sleek, modern, and made partly from recycled plastic, it delivers ambient glow without the guilt. A chill vibe for under $10? Yes, please. 13. Produkt. Froth like a cafe pro without leaving your slippers. This pocket-sized milk frother turns even oat milk into foamy bliss in seconds. Use it hot or cold. Either way, your morning latte will never be basic again. 14. Busk Burke, a petite plant pot with a big environmental heart. Made from recycled food packaging, it's as sustainable as it is stackable. Indoors or out, your plant babies will thank you, and so will the planet. 15. Fernuff. This 20-piece flatware set brings understated elegance to your table. With a smooth, modern design and stainless steel build, it's ready for everyday meals or your next dinner party. Who knew cutlery could look this grown up? 16. Tracka. These green kitchen scissors are the Swiss Army knife of slicing. Snip herbs, chop veggies, pop bottles. Whatever your culinary adventure, they've got you covered. Also, friendly to both lefties and righties. 17. Typhoid. A soft landing for your feet that doesn't scream for attention. This flat-woven cotton rug is lightweight, machine washable, and perfectly chill in black and beige. Like the quiet friend who's always reliable. Turns out you don't need to splurge to find pieces that bring charm, function, and joy to your everyday life. IKEA's under $10 gems are proof that good design doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen tools, refreshing your decor, or organizing your space, these small investments can make a big impact. Happy decorating, and even happier saving.